Hello and welcome. Today I am going to show you very interesting and delicious recipe. We decided to eat with my friend called Aydın. He's a good chef. He advised me to prepare this meal. What is this meal? It's called yam. We will decide to prepare a meal from yam. Actually, we don't know how it results. We will test it, we will try it, and we will show it how we can take result. I hope you are enjoy the video and get idea how to prepare yam. First of all, you need a peeler to peel the skin of the yam. It's very important. It is the first things you have to do. As you see, it is very difficult to peel it. After washing it well, you have to cut it. So you have to cut it however you want. Put water in a pot and start boiling, and then put the cutted yams into a pot and start boiling. Minimum 20 minutes you have to boil them. Now we cool the boiled yams with cold water. After cooling and washing the yams, now it's time to dry them well. Now we are going to second part. Put oil in your pan because we will fry these yams in oil. While the oil is heating on one side, let's put the yams in the eggs we prepared on the other side. Because we are going to dip it in the egg and fry it. Here I forgot to show you, we couldn't record it because break 4 or 5 eggs in a bowl and mix them all, and then put these yolks in the egg and start frying. Bence başarılı.
Ya yıllardır açıyorsun sen ne sanıyorsun? Bence bu kadardır ya. Başka bir şey olmaz herhalde.
Baharatın tuzunu sonra mı?
Tuzunu attık ya. Azsa bir daha atacağız.
İşte burada bir şeyler kattığınız zaman belki yumurtaya falan belki şey katılabilirler.
İsteyene baharat atabiliyor işte.
Evet, aynen. Mis. Denemek istediğimiz şey hazır.
Erdal abi valla bu şey karnabahara benziyor dediğim gibi. Bak, tadına da bakalım nasıl bir şeymiş. Patates. Bildiğimiz patates. Yumurtalı patates yaptık ya. Hiçbir farkı yok.
Okay.
Bayağı güzel. Başarılı.
Thank you for watching our gourmet adventure. If you like it, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and let us know in the comments if you tried our recipe. Your support helps us make more yummy videos. See you next time and happy cooking!